Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to change your OneDrive folder location in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, we need to click on this up arrow button over there, and after that here you will get one OneDrive logo. So you have to right click over there. After click on OneDrive icon, you have to click on settings. So if you go to the settings, so there is no option to change, as you can see, change folder location. So what you have to do, you need to go to the accounts, and after that you have to click on this option which is called unlink this PC. So after click on unlink this PC, you will get one pop-up. So click on unlink account. So here you need to put your mail ID once again. So after put your email ID over there, you have to click on sign in option button over there. So click over there, and now you have to put your password. In my case, I'm putting my password. And after that, here you will get one option is called change locations. You have to click over there. And after that you can change your drive location. So in my case I will select here J drive for OneDrive. Okay, so after that click on select folder, and after that click on next. So now if I'll go to my J drive, as you can see, J drive is successfully configured for OneDrive folder location. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.